Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're finishing off an example for finding circumference. However, our language changes a little bit. Today we're calling it perimeter. Here's why. Circumference is the measure of the outside of a circle. We don't have a circle, but we do have a circular object. So as soon as there's a round part, the wording changes from circumference to perimeter, but we can solve it the same. In other words, we're still going to need circumference equals diameter times pi. We're just going to have to piecemeal this together. So if we think about it, diameter is the measure of the outside of the circle. So if this was complete, if Mr. Speeds could draw a better circle, if this was complete, that's saying that if I take this 6 and I put it in here and I get circumference equals diameter, which again was 6, times pi, then that would be the measure of the entire outside of my circle. The problem is I don't need the entire measure. I only need this part. And as we can see, that's half of a circle. So I need to chop that in half. Once I've done that, I've basically got a floating half circle. But if you're paying attention, you can see there's something missing here to our original object, and that is I do not or have not accounted for this part yet. So over here I've got to add in another 6. Once I do that, now I know how far I've traveled in red, that's dividing by 2, and how far I've traveled on blue, because well, it's all here. We got the full circle, cut it in half, that's our red. And then if we go 6 more, we can go from this point, go all the way around and return. It's the point of perimeter. So if we take 6 divided by 2, we get 3 pi. Let me try to color code this better. And then plus 6. Now here, there's not much more we can do except substitute in. So if we take 3.14, and we multiply that by 3, then we're going to get 9 equals 9 point, and then 14 times 3, 28, 42. So here, all I did was take the idea that pi equals 3.14. And I'm going to explain that again here in a second. We've touched on it before, but I want to make sure we're going to be clear, and this is going to be plus 6. Now, since I plugged this in, it's no longer equal to, it's about. And then if I take 9 plus 6, that's 15. Keep the 0.42. So about, and then I'm dealing with meters. So in order to travel around this semicircle from beginning around back to the beginning, I would have to travel 15.42 meters, or about 15.42 meters. The thing is, we actually had our answer up here to be exact. So again, it says find, this is the one I'd like you to use. So unless it tells you to use 3.14 or 22/7, or it says estimate, if you're finding, to me that's an exact answer. So this is the one that I want, 3 pi plus 6. Don't forget to ask questions. Make sure to re-watch and take notes over this video as many times as you need to. And we'll see you in class. Remain resilient.